guys, welcome back to the channel. So I thought I'd do just a quick video on how to modernize your older muscle car. Like this here's a 2002, and it didn't come with things like USB ports and a backup camera, and you never had like a touchscreen stereo or anything like that. So anyway, I just wanted to do a quick video on how to take an older car and make it more modern. Anyway guys, hope you enjoy the video, and catch you in the next one. Hey guys, so I'm going to install this set of USBs. I'm going to install them right into this port here. So the top one will be for HP tuners, and then the second one you'll be able to charge with it. So anyway, to do this, you gotta partially take the console out. You can start here with the shifter. I pulled it back so I can get a hold of this. You pull this little pin out, and your shift knob will come right off. And then you come back here, this little coin thing, you pull that out. And then you need a 7mm. Take these two 7mm bolts out. And take your little cigarette tray out. And this whole thing will kind of pop out. You want to get your light. I'm gonna put this back up to the park so we get rid of that noise. Okay. Side. Well, this could be difficult to get this out. Hey guys, so I had a little issue. I can't get HP tuners to work on one cable again. It's something to do with the cable. It's got the female to female USB port. I don't know, it worked before, now it doesn't work. But anyway, so my plan to make this top one a place to plug my computer in for HP tuners, and then charge on this one. It's going to have to wait. So instead, what I'm doing is making these both charging ports. So what I did, I took the two plug wires the two plugs for this USB, and I plugged them into this cigarette lighter thing. And this is the original cigarette lighter that was in this port. Now I'm just going to stuff it up in here, and then instead of having the cigarette lighter port, I'm going to have two USBs. Now eventually I'm going to get that top one working for HP tuners, but right now I can't get it to work. But anyway, I thought I'd do this video just to show how to modernize an older muscle car. So anyway, I'll put this back together, and it's pretty simple. Don't really need to show you how it goes back together, and then I'll talk about how to make an older car more modern. Okay guys, so here's the two USB ports I just installed. Now my original plan was to use this for a charging port and use this one for HP tuners, but I got a problem with one of the cables. I'll go back and probably try to get it running eventually, but anyway, I ended up making both these a charging port. But one cool thing I found out about this particular cigarette lighter is it's live all the time. So the car shut off, the ignition shut off, but when I plug it in, it's charging. So I thought that was kind of cool. But anyway, these old cars, like I said, they never had USB ports. Well, now this car has 4 of them. These two here charge all the time. These 2 here only charge when the ignition's on. And this top one is used for Apple CarPlay, and then this bottom one is used for charging, or if you had a USB with music or something on it, you could play it on the touchscreen stereo. So that's really the key, is one of these stereos that they allow you to have all the stuff, because these 2 USB ports here are plugged directly into the stereo, and then these 2 here I just put in. They're actually, as you've seen in the video, they're plugged into the old cigarette lighter. But anyway, so I got that. And another thing I'll show you, I'll start the car up here.
During parking mode, event detection recording 2 occurs.
So I also, another thing these stereos allow you to do is hook up a backup camera. So when I go into reverse, I now got a backup camera. Now mind you, the lines don't turn with the wheel like they do on new vehicles, but at least you can see what's behind you. So that's pretty good. But the best part about these stereos, and one of the best part about newer cars, in my opinion, is Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, depending on which one you have. Right, should bring, there it is. So we got Apple CarPlay.
It's interface quite well. So yeah, I think they will do that. I think.
But the great thing about Apple CarPlay is you got an old car, but all of a sudden now you have maps. So it'll work.
Starting route to work. Proceed to Larrick Road, then take a slight right turn.
So that's something you don't have in a 2002 Camaro or something older. And this stuff would work in an older muscle car too. This is a double DIN stereo, but I have seen them, the single DIN, where the screen actually comes out further. So that would work in an older muscle car. But like I said, it's good to be able to modernize an older car with basically the stereo is really the only thing you need. That stereo made it possible to have things like Apple CarPlay, and then maps, and hands-free calling, because it even comes with the, I don't know if you can see the little microphone here. And also you can just do it hands-free. Hey Siri, give me directions to the nearest Walmart.
The closest one I see is Walmart Supercenter, on Main Street in Presque Isle. Let me know if I should call one of them or get directions for you.
Get directions. Okay, so Siri don't work the very best, but anyway, you get the idea. You can have pretty much everything you have in a new vehicle, you can have in one of these vehicles. Like I said, this car originally, it never even had so much as 1 USB port. Now I got 4 in it. And like I said, these ones here charge all the time, even when the car's off, so that's pretty good. Anyway, guys, I just wanted to make a quick video on how you can modernize your older car. Hope it helps someone, and we'll catch you in the next one.